Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you what the Levide Knee Massager is, what it offers, and how to use it. So, let's get started. According to the official Levide website, the Levide Knee Massager, also called as Levide Knee Companion 2.0, is a wearable knee therapy device designed to provide comfort for people experiencing knee pain, stiffness, or soreness as well. The company says that it offers or it combines multiple therapy technologies into one portable device. It can be used at home or on the go. According to the website, one of the device's main features is the combination of heat therapy, vibration massage, and the red light therapy. The company also says that these features are designed to help promote circulation or the blood circulation, reduce stiffness, and provide target comfort around the knee joints. The websites also state that the device offers three vibration intensity levels, multiple heat settings, and an easy to use LED touchscreen to control the panel. And so basically, you can adjust the treatment to your preference. So the websites also hide or highlights a lot of features like the cordless rechargeable device, making it convenient to use without being connected to a power outlet. According to the company, the device charges with a USB-C cable, includes a built-in 10-minute automatic shut-off timer, and it's designed with just adjustable straps to fit comfortably around most knees. So, if you want, as example, to use the device, according to the websites, you'll have to wrap the device securely around your knee using the adjustable straps. Press and hold the power button to turn it on, and the device should start the auto mode by default. And of course, you can use the touch screen that it has to control and to adjust the heat, vibration, and therapy settings to your comfort level. According to the website, a soft buzzer confirms each settings change during the operation. And if you'd like to purchase the device, you'll have to click on Shop Now at the top of the page. You'll find, as you can see, multiple packages, so choose the package that suits your needs. Then you can click on Add Cart or Add to Cart. Once you add it to cart, you'll be taken to the checkout where you can enter your shipping information and payment information and complete your order by following the on-screen instructions according to the website. The device also includes 2 years warranty. As you can see, you may find that at the bottom. So 2-year warranty. According to the website, also they have a 60-day money back guarantee if you wish to give it back. Also, if you have any questions about the device, if you scroll down to the bottom of the device selling page, you'll find the frequently asked question page. If you want to find, as example, some answers to some of your questions, I'm just opening here the answers. If you have one of those questions, you can just pause the video and read it all out. If you didn't find the answer that you're looking for, you can basically go to the bottom here and you will find example their email and their number, and you can even find the chat if you want to answer a separated question that is not included. And as with any health related device, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it to make sure it's appropriate for your individual needs. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.